The parietal bones are two large, flat bones located on each side of the skull, forming the upper sides and roof of the cranium. They are situated between the frontal and occipital bones. The parietal bones are roughly square-shaped or rectangular and are the second largest bones in the skull after the frontal bone. They contribute significantly to the overall structure of the skull. The parietal bones meet at the midline of the skull, forming the sagittal suture, and they articulate with the frontal bone, temporal bones, occipital bone, and sphenoid bone. The primary function of the parietal bones is to protect the brain, particularly the parietal lobe. They also provide attachment sites for muscles involved in head movement and help to support the structure of the skull. The parietal bones are involved in several important sutures. In addition to the sagittal suture at the midline, they are connected to the frontal bone by the coronal suture and to the occipital bone by the lambdoid suture. On the inner surface of the parietal bones, there are grooves for blood vessels that supply the brain. The outer surface has a smooth, curved shape, which helps in the protection of the brain. The parietal bones develop from membrane bone tissue during embryonic development, and ossification occurs in a process called intramembranous ossification, which involves the direct formation of bone from connective tissue. The parietal bones are often used as landmarks in anthropology and for identifying skull features. Injuries to the parietal region, such as fractures, can lead to brain damage, particularly to the parietal lobe, which is responsible for sensory processing and spatial awareness.